Needed moisture making a comeback to the state yesterday, overnight into this morning. Lovely to see this atop of Pikes Peak, and more to come today. Taking a look at some of our rain totals, more than an inch of rain through Durango, Alamosa, Walsenburg, Rocky Ford, and Trinidad. Littleton picking up just shy of an inch of rain, and more to come this morning, which is wonderful to see after 3 weeks of very dry weather. This is all thanks to that shot of cool air that blasted in yesterday, bringing us cooler temperatures for the end of the work week. Those will stick around today. The storm system over the Four Corners will continue to push through, bringing those rain and snow showers throughout the day. And you can see that on our satellite and radar through Colorado Springs, Pueblo, and Trinidad this morning. Rain showers waking up to here in the Front Range. Just mostly cloudy conditions, but a dry start with snow still falling in portions of the southern mountains. Winter storm warning remains in place, where we could see an additional 12 to 16 inches of snow by noon tomorrow for our San Juan Mountains. That's the area highlighted in pink there. Throughout Pikes Peak, we could pick up another 5 to 10 inches of snow. We do have winter weather advisories still in place. Those are for the areas shaded in purple. So if you are headed to the high country today, especially over the higher peaks and passes, you want to make sure and leave some extra time, because with snow and wind gusts up to 40 to 45 miles per hour, we could see that blowing and drifting snow, making driving difficult at times. On the Futurecast, we'll continue to see lingering rain and snow showers, mainly south of I-70, on and off through today, through tonight, and into tomorrow. But again, the bullseye of this system is really going to be those San Juan Mountains. That's where we're expecting the heaviest snow to fall, mainly south of I-70. But even in the central mountains, we could pick up a couple of inches by tomorrow. Here in the Front Range, a closer look. Cloudy skies to start. We do have a chance for a few rain showers later this morning through the early afternoon, and then we will see gradual drying for the second half of the day, but that cloud cover staying with us. Tomorrow, it's a different story. We'll continue to see gradual clearing and much drier conditions for the second half of the weekend here in the Front Range. So this is what it's looking like south and east of the Denver metro area. That's where we're tracking the heaviest rain showers, where we could pick up anywhere from 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of rain. The other thing you'll notice today, the cooler temperatures will stay in the 50s, not only here in the Front Range, across the eastern plains, and mainly up in the high country in the mid to upper 50s, 60s out on the western slope. Here in the city, we'll top out at 57 degrees, 59 in Westminster, as well as Thornton out through Commerce City. And in Jefferson County, we're looking at the 50s throughout the foothills, stretching from Arvada down through Lakewood as well, in the upper 50s by this afternoon. Overnight, it will be cool once again, with lows dropping into the 40s here in the Front Range. Up in the high country in the 20s and 30s overnight, and that's when we will see that snow continue to stack up, especially in the southern mountains. Tomorrow, it will be mostly cloudy to start, gradual clearing throughout the day, and a much different day on tap as highs climb back into the low 70s tomorrow. So much warmer and drier conditions for the second half of your weekend. That trend continues as we head back to work next week. Look at that, the sunshine and the 70s. They make a comeback starting on Tuesday all the way through the end of the work week and into next weekend. By Saturday, Kennedy, we're looking at temperatures close to 80 degrees.